Alright, so I'm back. Social media scheduler. Today we're going to be implementing the function needed to upload our video to Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Yeah, hopefully this works. So today we'll be working on integrating Instagram Graph API into our application, and we're just going to see if we're able to post a simple photo on our Instagram account. Content publishing, guys. Guys, this is what Codium suggested, so we're using this, alright? Successful posted. It's giving me, huh? There we go, so it worked. Right, as you can see. And as you can see, it just posted 45 seconds ago. Testing 1, 2, 3. So now, let's give it a link. I don't know if this will work. We don't know. Huh? Oh, video URL. Okay, so now let's see if it works, guys. So, our test now. I've successfully posted, and we have a container ID. Uh-huh. No. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Success. Yes! Oh my god, guys. I guess I just have to regenerate it, I guess. I don't know. What the hell? Should see any video. Yeah, there we go, guys. Finally. Okay, we did it. Now, just to kind of give you guys an overview really quickly, this method here is going to prep our container, and our container basically contains our video URL. It contains our caption, it contains our access token. This get status code, that's what we're checking for. We're checking to see if that container is finished building itself, okay? This function right here, publish Instagram post, this is where we're actually taking that container and posting it onto our Instagram page. Okay, so YouTube Data API. So we can already install their Python library package. Sample request, yada yada yada. Well, I totally forgot to hit record. And I kind of messed up. But we're just going to go ahead and run it and see what happens, right? So post YouTube, continue. Authentication flow has been completed. You may now close this window. As you can see, it gave us back our token, refresh token, and now we're waiting roughly 60 seconds or 50 seconds to see if it uploads. So this comes back as YouTube Shorts video uploaded successfully, kind YouTube hashtag video. This doesn't look right because it should not be a hashtag video. It should be a short. I think what will happen is that this will actually be uploaded as a video and not. Yep. I can see it right here. Okay. As you can see in the video, I uploaded as a YouTube video and not as a short. I did some research and I looked at very hard, and all of them said, just include the hashtag shorts in your title and your description. That didn't work. So if you guys know or have any ideas, please let me know. So I want to talk to you guys about the direction the social media schedule will be heading in. Originally, I was planning on making this accessible to everyone and have users on it, but you had to submit an app to Facebook and to TikTok and have a privacy policy. It's a lot more that goes into it. So for now, I'm just gonna develop it for myself, and hopefully down the line I'll be able to get all those things and submit it for an app, and yeah, to be able to deploy it so you guys can use it. But for now, I'll just release the code and you guys can use it. Catch you guys in the next video.